Welcome to day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas Trees. I am here at my local supermarket Publix to get some cold cuts, cheese, and the rest of the items for my tapas. And let me share with you something I just learned. I'm going to use my glass here and I'm going to layer all the salami around the rim of the glass, just like this. I'm placing about 8 or 9 of these round shaped salami cuts, and then I'm just going to flip my glass and lift it up, leaving all the salami in the shape of a rose. Isn't that cute? I love it. And I'm going to do the same with the chorizo. In this case, I'm using a smaller glass cup. I really like the smaller one the best. So I'm gonna make one with the salami using the smaller cup. Now I'm starting to cut the cheese. This one in particular is delicious. It's goat cheese with blueberries on top. I'm going to slice it. And the forms begin. I'm just placing one of the rows on the top, the other one kind of in the middle, and then I'm alternating the cheese with the rosemary leaves and the olives. I am adding, as you can see, the blackberries on top of the cold cuts. Then I'm putting my fruits, the blueberries, slices of mozzarella cheese with tomato. Just having fun decorating my tree. And adding more cheese on the bottom and the blackberries. I think it is adorable and very delicious as well. What do you think? It looks amazing to me. And we're gonna pair it with this wine. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, goodbye.
Unique expressions.